And then cinnamon roll. Hello guys, it's me again, Hesper, and welcome to my another video. So today guys, it's a messy kind of day. As you can see on my back, there's a lot of messy or packages. Yeah, so in short, we will do a PR haul or huge PR haul video. Yeah, I decided to do this video here in our bedroom, so it's more comfortable for me, and also I'm just using a sunlight. So I'm just in front of this window and hopefully we finish this video before the sun goes down, right? Yeah, plus I will do also, or I will share to you my previous giveaway prizes that I received last time. So later we will do that only if we still have time. Alright, so before we start guys, please make sure that you already subscribe and also hit the bell button so you don't miss any single videos from me like this, right? So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, here you go. First off is the latest package that I received. This is from 6 Plus makeup brush. Yeah, so I received this last week, I think. And yeah, they just messaged me and asked me if I want to try out their product and give a review, honest review, something like that. And yeah, and there is two kind of colors of this brush. There is what's this, coffee brown, and then this one is, it's like a carnation pink or like a baby pink. So this is how it looks like, the box or the package. Once you open it, this is how it looks like. Ay, ang ganda niya. So you can use this as brush holder. Yan, ganyan. And there's a magnet, that's why it's sticking it. Look. Ayan, oh. Which is nice. Ang witty lang, ang smart lang yung idea na yun. 49. It's kinda expensive, I know, right? Oh. Yung quality, I like the quality. Yung smell niya, smells new. Hindi naman siya, there's no foul smell. You know, the natural smell of the new brush. It comes with brush guard. I don't know how many is this one. Thank you so much, 6 Plus, for this brush. The first package that I received from Elegir would be this one. And yeah, I was really happy nung na-receive ko to. Kasi, look at that. I got a lot, like 3 different palettes, which is the Moonlight highlighting palette. Ayan, and then Get Feverish eyeshadow palette. And then blush palette. LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Long Wear Foundation. Oops. And then 2 lipsticks. Two lipstick. This is the nude color. Yung pink, and may touch of pink. Parang rosy pink, and then this one is brown nude. Pero metal siya. Metal liquid. And then it comes also with Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. LA Girl Brow Pomade, nakalimutan ko. Ito kasama to dun sa mga makeup. This is my second PR box from them. And this is the newest eyeshadow palette, a summer edition. Yan siya. Yan siya. And ayan. I will do the swatches and also the makeup tutorial using this. Please watch that soon. Next is Moda brush. Hashtag Moda Mavens. Ayan. So I'm also a Moda brush influencer. So this is my welcome box from them. And I received 3 sets of brushes. 1, 2, and 3. Ayan. Okay, for the next PR packs would be Shop Envyme. This is eyelashes. Yeah. So they send me out this 8 pieces of different eyelashes. So basically they have 2 eyelashes collections, which is the Badass and one is the Flawlash. So this is how it looks like. So most of these eyelashes I already use it. If you want to see that, check it out my Instagram, right? And if I'm not mistaken, the price of this each is kind of like $15. Hindi ako nagkakamali, parang $15 to $20, parang mga 19, 18, yan, $18. So imagine, they send me this 2, 4, 6, 8 times $18, diba? Plus they send me out also the first package before this package. So this is the package that they sent me out before. One flow lash, one badass, and then 3 regular lashes. Alright, so for the next peer box is from Sigma Beauty. Actually, I already have this unboxing video. If you want to see that, you can check it out. Alright. And then, the second box, I received this. This is the cleaning products. So, this is Sigma Dry and Shake. I also uploaded a video of this unboxing. Comes with this brush, foam, brush shampoo also, but this one is foam. And then, another Sigmagic scrub. Okay, so next is this is actually my third peer box from Sigma Beauty. And please brace yourselves kasi sobrang nakaka-overwhelm to guys. Talagang heart attack guys. Talaga, heart attack ma'am. Ganyan. Okay, handa na ba kayo? Are you ready? Oh my god, okay. Unang pasabog. Brush agad. Pak! Sigma Detail Brush Set. So, it comes with 8 pieces of detail brush set. I don't want to detail everything of this third peer box from them kasi I already made a separate video for this guys, okay? And just please watch it, right? And then next is the highlight and contour brush set. And then next is the lip concealer. Ayan. Liquid lipstick from Sigma. This is 2 shades. One is the nude and one is red. I think this is the nude. This is the nude. Ito yung touch of pink. Ito yung touch of brown. We also have here the Chroma Glow Shimmer Plus Highlighter Palette. Ayan siya. Diba? And then next is the Blush Cheek Palette. Ayan yung colors niya. Warm, neutral also yung ano niya, yung color ng ating blush. Diba? And then lastly, nako, heart attack kayo dito guys, promise. This is last but not the least for the Sigma. This is Premium Kit Sigma Beauty Professional Brushes. Diba? It comes with this bag, para siyang songbook. Ayan, pili tayo, nakakantahin, ganyan. So, once you open it, ayan, may page din siya. So, turn to page 2, pa. Ayan. Ayan. Ang amoy. Amoy expensive, amoy, yayamanin, ganyan. So, ayan. Ipapa-frame natin siya, guys. And then, i-display natin sa vanity room. Charik! And this one is not really a peer box, but they sent me this out for a review also, in exchange of review. So this is a Sojo's Vision. They asked me for the design kung anong gusto ko, and then, ayun. Okay guys, so we're done to our huge PR haul. So right now, let's move on to our giveaway prizes. First is this is from Kimil on Instagram. The eyeshadow, different shades of lip tint, orange, pink, and then red. NCLA, I received a lot of goodies from NCLA last year, and until now I didn't use yet some of the products from them. So first is this NCLA Beauty Packer App lipsticks. Ayan siya. So this is 6 shades. I received also a skincare from Best Milk Skincare, pink and red. So ayan siya. Pink, red, and orange or coral. Travel Towel Collection. Ano rin to, hatid dito na NCLA. Yung pag-giveaway nila. Ayun, yung 5 different nail polish from NCLA. Ayan, so I got this. I'm the one pick this, yung color, yung shades, and then yung design. What else? This, inflatable marble ring or salbabida, pinaganda pa. Akala ko nung una, ano to, ring light, parang cover ng ring light. Pero salbabida pala siya. May inflatable naman kasi. So, marble ring. So, hindi ko masyadong na-gets yung inflatable nung una. But bags. Yeah. They gave me also a bags. Yung NCLA. Yan. Comes with this. Marami talaga siya, promise. Yan. And then, there is another bag. But wait. I'll show you this first. Ito, tatlo to. Yung isa hindi ko mahanap. Tatlo to. This is from Cake. The hair eraser. The hair bracer. This is hardcore lifting texture building styling, dry styling hair powder, volumizing. So this is Mighty volumizing powder for hair, and then this one also. This is for hair also, but this one is liquid wave maker. This bag. This bag is actually a luxury bag. It says there, luxury bag daw siya. Yeah. I think so because when I open this bag, may kasama siyang ganito. Ayan, o diba? May ganito siya. Bongga. Tapos, yung quality ng bag, this is the bag. Pack. Yung quality ng bag, ito travel bag to eh. Ayan. Yung quality ng bag niya, super ganda. Tapos, comes with 3 packets inside. 1, 2, and then 3. 1 with zipper and then 2 packets na ganyan lang. Tapos, may ganito siya and then meron din siyang sleeve. Ayan yung sleeve. Quality talaga siya guys kasi look at the yung niya. Makapal. Same with the leather. Ang kapal din ng leather. Ang ganda ng quality talaga. And then, aside from that bag, yung kanina pinakita ko, it comes with protector bag also. This. Ayan. Ito yung brand niya. Deoxlux. Correct me if I'm wrong. Deoxlux ba yung basa dyan? Ayan siya. May ganito siya. Diba? Bongga. I don't know how much is that, pero tingin ko expensive siya. I think it's expensive. Okay, so that's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and if you like this video, just don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and then hit the bell button so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so if you have questions, you have suggestions, or request video, just let me know. Comment down below. I want to hear that from you. Okay, so yeah, see you on my next one. Bye. See you on my next one, guys. Bye-bye. I love you.
We were on fire, I slashed your tires. It's like we